Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer about factorization. About 4x squared, that is about negative 2x squared plus 6x squared. Next, this one and this one we can do about factorization by 2x squared. This one and this one, that is about negative number 7x, and this one and this one, that is about negative number 6. And now there should be like this. Next, we can do about factorization by x squared minus number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. So, number 1, that is about 1 square. So we need to transform this one into this one. And that is about x minus number 1 and x plus number 1. So, about this one, we can put negative 4x, negative 3x. Next, we can do about factorization by 2x. This one by negative number 3. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.